Thank you. Am I
Yeah,
audible?
Silpi ma'am, over to you. Yes, you're audible, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Myself, Dr. Shilpi Patwari. I was associated with Banasthali Vidyapeeth as an assistant professor. Presently, I am an empaneled designer with Ministry of Handloom and Handicrafts, Kolkata. It is an honor for me to introduce Dr. C. Prakash. Presently, he is the director at Indian Institute of Handloom Technology, Pulia, West Bengal. He was awarded PhD in 2014 in Anna University. He has around 18 years of experience in teaching as well as industry. Till date, he has published more than 100 technical papers in reputed SCI Scopus journals and conferences. His interest areas include academic and research activities in the field of thermal comfort, moisture management of textile products, and effluent treatments. It is a privilege to welcome you in this FDP program once again. With this, I would request you to start your valuable deliberation for this session. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. So once again, good morning to everyone. I'm Dr. Prakash. I think last Wednesday, Thursday also I made a presentation regarding that journal publication. First of all, I think Dr. Murugan sir is there in the. I think Dr. Murugan sir, are you there, sir? Dr. Murugan sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Dr. Prakash, sir.
Sir,
Good morning.
good morning, sir. So actually, I like before starting my presentation, I like to thank Dr. Murugan sir because 2011 I registered my PhD in Anna University, Chennai. So after the entrance exam over, we are around 15 people. We are call for personal interview for our PhD research work. That time, Dr. Murugan sir is the examiner for myself. So everyone has to present our research view to the particular meeting. That meeting, Dr. Murugan sir is one of the examiner. So that time he guided me to tell about that. Actually, my PhD work mainly focused on two way of thinking that time because 2011 I entered into the PhD line. That time I have a mindset of to study project simultaneously we have to produce one instrument project. So that time during the meeting I presented with my research is a collaboration of one part is study, another part is instrumentation. That time Dr. Morgan guided me that there is two way of research work is there. One is study research and then is instrumentation research. So he explained that meeting and then the advantages and drawbacks of whether you got to go study project or you go for instrumentation. Both project means combined means it is very toughest task to carry out in future level. So he suggested us some suggestion. So that time he voluntarily helped me to go where I have to go, which line I have to go. So this is the platform. Murugan sir, thank you very much. That 2011 you guided me. So now I am in a position in a director in IHT. So that time you gave me a wonderful idea. So I implement my research work. I think you know very well about my research work. So thank you, sir. Once again, thank you very much for guiding me that time. So now I'm going to.
Thank you, sir. I think
Yes,
you
sir.
have reached greater heights, Dr. Prakash.
Yes, sir. No, sir. Whatever you are
Well,
always your blessings and then
no, that
your
is,
guidance, everything is there, sir. Thank you, sir.
thank you, thank you. Yes.
Now I'm going to present myself. Now I like to share my screen. Everyone can able to see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So today I mainly focus on that application of Manly for a reference citation. Actually, whatever that research work as a paper publication or thesis writing, so main biggest headache what is reference writing because there is no much more knowledge in the reference writing. If you have to write thesis writing means we have to add around 150 to 300, sometimes 400 reference we have to add in the thesis part. So as is my point of view, biggest headache is to type a reference part, particularly for journal part also. Each journal is having different type of styles. So suppose I prepare one journal format, and then after that, sometime some problem maybe I place, or maybe the journal has rejected myself, and the next journal I am going to submit means total format I like to change, because as their article format and the reference format, everything I will change. So sometime it may biggest headache for ourselves for to convert that one format to another format. So there are some very good softwares are there. Some may be a paid one, some may be a non-payable one. So as a financial point of view, majority people, we like to focus on non-paid softwares, because we know that some limitation for funding source and then financial source. So most probably we like to free kind of service. So there are previous session I mentioned that there are BibTeX, some softwares are there. Is useful for to making preparation of manuscript thesis, but probably that is the paid one. So now I saw that paid one. So so probably we like to utilize the stuff most probably is in a free of cost. So in this particular session will help you that how we have to making a reference within a second. Actually, if you have to write an article, you have to quote it around 20 to 30 reference. But after the end of the session, you have to convert the particular article to journal style. So particularly you have to more concentrate on reference style, because sometimes journal will tell that your reference style is not matched with our journal style. So simply they have to return back to yourself. So whatever that you have to keen to mind for that, the reference style, and then how you cited inside the article. This is the more important part, because each journal having some different style. So as a people, we have biggest headache. There is no unevenly we have to spend our time to convert the conversion the article into a particular journal format. So particularly the reference one, we guys always type and then we got to do like that. So this is the session will help you to making a reference in a within a second. There are softwares are there, paid software, unpaid software. But today I will discuss the non-paid software. But it is some restriction is there. Suppose we got to use the free software. They have the two version. One is free. We have to access some of the free part, and then if we go to advanced part means we have to pay. So whatever that something is better than for nothing. So with the utilize of the free service, how can we utilize that particular software for our manuscript preparation? So this is particular software very helpful for particularly for Manly. So they are introduced in the year of 2015 for particularly for reference style. So it's very easy software, and then it will helpful for to making a reference style within a seconds. So particularly for thesis writing, we have to cite around 300-400 reference. So that time within a second, if all the reference will come in, we are very happy to reduce our working time, particularly for typing the reference style. So this is the one. So first one is what is referencing means. Referencing is the standardized way of acknowledging for authors. So whatever that we are to making writing, so we have to acknowledge the particular person's work, particularly for in journal manuscript preparation or journal writing. So in the introduction part, literature survey part, so we have to add someone's view. So in your own language, you have to represent that particular person's research work. So whatever that, you have, as per ethics, or you have to acknowledge the particular person, we have to cite the particular person article in our article preparation. So it's necessary. If not cited means sometimes it's go for the plagiarism. So plagiarism is the biggest criteria for nowadays. All the university, they are keen to watch your manuscript and then thesis. Many theses may be rejected for plagiarism, and then many manuscript may be rejected for plagiarism. Suppose if the student having that writing a paper, and maybe the plagiarism is there, but unfortunately the journal didn't notice the particular one. Nowadays, all the journals having a separate software system. They analyze, they checking your plagiarism, but sometimes some journals are still there. Some reputed journals are still there. They tell that purely depends upon your side. They don't bother about that. So that time we publish a paper in a reputed journal. Unfortunately, there is some percentage of plagiarism is there. Automatically, it will affect your PhD career. So whatever that, you have to get some contents from others article means you got to change your own language, and then you have to properly cite the particular author's work. Otherwise, you consider as a plagiarism may be accounted. So keep in your mind. So whatever that, if somebody has to read your article means they have to refer your quoted article. Suppose I have to expand someone's work. So automatically, I refer the particular article in my research work means people like to see the background of the particular research work. So according to your reference, they go search the particular article. So automatically, your article may be cited, and then that you cited article, person article may be cited. So they have to check the background of your research work. That time, the referencing method is very helpful for the upcoming researchers or those who are doing the research area from your particular area. So this is the one. So reference part is very important parameter. That's only there is no error in the particular cited the particular reference. If you have any error means automatically the particular person's citation index or maybe H index may be affected because you not clearly mentioned the name, journal name, everything you made a mistake means automatically it will affect it. So the particular software will help you to giving a error-free reference. And some of the journals they have to tell that what is the style of reference you got to made in your article writing. So every journal having the website, they're having the separate PDF or separate note. They mentioned that how we have to cited the particular reference article. What is the style of the reference article? So why do we need reference means to credit to the ideas, works of others. So whatever that in thesis writing, manuscript writing, we have to include some of the research idea from our research work. So we got to include their ideas. So we suggested that so and so did the work in a particular area. So we also going to do the work because there is some lag in the particular work. So we got to quote the particular person. So whatever that we got to give the credit to the particular person. So that then only if people, some people, future people, they refer your article means they will quote it yourself. So as for ethics, and then you have to give the credit to the particular author. So that's only the H index, citation index may be improved. So majority people, they have to cite what they refer from their research work. So and then to allow others to find the original source of easily. So if I like to continue the previous person's work, so my research work is second level of the previous one. So as upcoming people of the research work, they like to see my download my paper and see that they impress my research work. They like to continue my research work in next level. So that time they need the origin of the particular research work. So that time reference is the most criteria part to helpful the researchers. So whatever that we have to move from A to Z of work to reference to the future scholars, future research work. So this is the keep in your mind. So you have to giving a proper reference to your research article. Sometime what we think that we have to give some cited article. So randomly choose some article to cite it in our research work. It's not match your research work. So we have some research work, you write your article. So randomly you choose some 10 references and cited the reference to our article. So if the people will read your article and then they check your reference cited article means there is no match between your cited reference from your research work. They easily find out that there is some glimpse work is going on in your research work. So they not predict, they not believe your research work. So whatever the reference work, they speak about your work in the particular people. So reference is a more important parameter. So you have to cite the reference what exactly makes your research work. So don't put unnecessary reference cited in your research article. It will spoil your research work. So keep in your mind. So what are the reference cited in your manuscript? It may be helpful for your you have to raise your research work in next level, and also it has to support your research work. If nothing is not supported, so some name purpose or number purpose, you have to utilize the particular article means automatically it is spoil your research work. This is the one you can keep in your mind. And then to make the work informative, so we have to give the quality of the work to reference those who are study your paper or they have read your paper. So automatically as a reference will give the quality of your work. So that's only, and nowadays all the journals, they expect if you have to submit your paper in leading research journal means they like that you got to minimum 1 or 2 article their journal's name. So because their citation, their journal citation may be increased, their impact factor increase, though they voluntarily you expect that you have to quote some of the article in their particular journal, because there is some mutual understanding between that. Sometimes they will tell you that the reference area is very weak. So that editor in chief, they give the comment to you. They particularly in the literature survey or maybe introduction part very weak. So we suggest us that the following article may be added in your reference area, because what is meaning for that? They have some target. They got to improve their citation, then they improve their impact factor. There is the need. So whatever that you got to submit an article in a particular journal, you have to read whether the some of the article related to research work. Better if you, there is a chance of accept our article for the particular journal, because you have to cite some quality article from the particular journal. You have to that article, you have to cite your reference, means there is a chance. And the second one, sometime the journal has to send you a review to the particular reviewer, because suppose particular journal, very easy to find the reviewer for the journal point of view. They are easy to find the reviewers. They check your reference according to your research work keywords. They check your reference. Any reference people are very familiar, then means they send your article to the particular people. So keep in your mind that what are the reference you have to add in your paper, they may send your paper to the particular author. So this is the one easy way of reviewing process. They simply check your reference area, and then they like to send your paper to the particular reviewer. This is the one kind of practice normally happen in the journal world. So keep in your mind. So reference is more important. Sometimes we believe that we have to check the journal's website. Some articles very ordinary. We feel that our article is better than the particular article. Then we have to submit our article to the particular journal. Unfortunately, our article may be rejected. So immediately we feel angry that why that particular article is very ordinary. They may accept it, they may publish in the website, in the particular journal, but my work is very very good quality. And then why there is not, means you are keep in your mind, you are not satisfied the reviewer point of view, not a journal point of view. A journal point of view, they send your paper to the reviewer. Whatever that, you have to satisfy the 2 or 3 reviewers. So purely depends upon the reviewer point of view. If the reviewer is satisfied your research work, means definitely it may the journal world has to publish your article. So whatever that, before you go to submit your article in the particular journal, you go through the journal. What is the article published in the particular your research area, and then you got to go through that particular article. Maybe your article may be reference area. Your article core area is comfort. So you have to check the comfort article published in the particular journals. So maybe it will around 10 articles there. So better you have to download the 10 articles and see what type of explanations in the particular article, what is the style they are following, how they discuss the result in the result discussion area, what kind of figure chart they are using, either bar chart or pie chart, whatever that. So according to the 10 article, you make a survey. Then you have to understand that what is the expectation of the particular reviewer of the particular journal. So clear get the idea, you have a visually get the idea. So you have a 10 article related to your comfort area. So you analyze that the 10 article, what is the maybe the 10 article may be reviewed by 5 to 10 reviewers. So you know the pulse of the reviewers. So according to the 10 article related to your research area, that article is published in the particular journal. So you have a raw data there, how you have to represent your article in the particular way. So this is the one kind of eye session. So you have to get the knowledge about that, how we have to represent your manuscript the particular journal. So that is automatically chance of acceptance, because the 10 article maybe around 5 to 10 reviewers, they may review the particular article. So you know the pulse of the particular reviewer. Then according to you change your article preparation, everything, and content, everything. Likewise, that representative of the 10 articles. So automatically your acceptance chance is more, because you know the pulse of the reviewer of the particular journal. So this usually I like follow this kind of activity in my publication. That's only I publish 100+ journals, particularly for 70 AGS journal. So this is the one criteria I followed my research paper writing. So this is the one. And then next one is to get the recognition and the authorization of the particular work. And then you have to address the issue of plagiarism, because you have to automatically cite it, means there is less chance, because you have to get the officially you have to tell that this is the content, get it from the particular article. That content you have to revise your language. If you copy the same content, you put it in the paper, means it go for plagiarism. So according to some plagiarism, so maybe next Sunday class, how we have to avoid the plagiarism, because we can't change the particular words. So that word you have to put it in your article. So some definition or whatever that the particular sentence is mainly key of supporting your research work. You cannot change the particular sentence, because if you change the sentence, means somewhat not up for your research support. So you have to put the particular one or two sentence as it is from the particular publication. You put the same sentence in your paper. So that time we can't change anything. So that it will consider the plagiarism. So how can we avoid that kind of plagiarism? So tomorrow class I will explain what type of plagiarism, how we have to avoid the particular type of plagiarism. So this is the one. So what you use that as a reference, it will safeguard for how we have to reference quote the particular article in our manuscript writing. And then when to cite a reference means when we copy or word or paragraph from a journal, article or book, definitely we have to cite the particular article or particular book. So this is keep in your mind. So you have to copy some content and put it in the particular in your writing manuscript. Then you have to change the language, everything. So according you have to get some sentence and then you put in your article. Then you have to tell the particular sentence meaning from your point of view. That's only you have to avoid the plagiarism. So keep in your mind. And then you got to sing that. First you have to copy from word or paragraph, whatever that. You have to copy that one. I put it in your article. Definitely you have to cite the particular article or book, whatever that. Next one, sometimes you have to copy some content from website. Nowadays, journal has a provision. You also in the reference area, you have to mention the website link. So this is the one type style follow in the journal world. So whatever that you have to copy from website. People cleverly tell that if journal only it will come for plagiarism, I will copy from particular website. So that is also considered plagiarism. So you have to copy the website from content means you have to mention you have to cite the particular website address. So they have a separate form reference style. How to you have to represent in the reference section, particularly for the website. And then when we write in our own words or ideas from a journal article, then you also may be cited the particular one. So you have to read the particular content, and then the read content you have to produce in your own style. So that time also you have to cite the particular article or book. So whatever that, whenever you write on your own words, website you have to copy from, or any journal or any thesis. So whatever that, you have to avoid the plagiarism. You have to deliver in your own language to express the particular one's views. So this is the one. Keep in your mind. So whatever that, if you always cite the reference means you are safety about the plagiarism. Otherwise, the plagiarism will come. So it will spoil your career, academic career, whatever that. So keep in your mind, citing the reference is more important parameter for your research work and then writing a paper. And then sources of information, normally we will get it from either book source, journal source. But another one important parameter is many people cleverly they are using book source, because as a book source they have to copy the content they put in their journal article. So what they meaning that some of the book source they didn't put the whole book in a PDF format, so it's available only in the hard copy. They think that if the particular book content, if you have to present an article means there is no plagiarism. Nowadays people are very cleverly tell that they also having some software that they link with the soft copy of the book. Nowadays all the book manufacturer, publisher people, they have their own PDF, but they have to give to the particular plagiarism checker software people. So they have the collaboration. They paid the plagiarism people, software people, they paid money to the book publisher. They get it as assess the soft copy of the particular one. So sometimes people are very clever. Some of the journals, local magazine, they have to publish the article only in a hard copy. So what cleverly think that they have to copy the hard copy of the particular journal because there is no copy of soft copy available in the internet. So whatever the plagiarism, if the content is available in the web means it immediately find out what plagiarism you copied the particular one. But if it is not available in the website or browser means it can't able to find out the plagiarism. So some people will cleverly utilize that. But whatever that, as ethical point of view, if anybody has to find out means, please keep in your mind. It's also considered as a plagiarism, whatever that. So next one, newspaper magazine. So some of the content I get it from the particular newspaper magazine. That is also you have to cite it in your reference. Then conference paper, conference proceeding. Somebody very cleverful for that. Conference, they publish only abstract. They like to publish the paper, conference paper in the journal publication. They just one side they present the paper in the conference. Next side the same paper they publish in the journals. So it's normally happen. Sometimes as a conference people they give the clarity that if you have to submit the paper means they publish the paper in India. They send the paper to a journal or they have a collaboration with some other journals. So they publish conference proceedings as a full paper in India. Some volume number, everything they publish in the journal one. Sometime the conference people they not able to publish your paper. That time people will cleverly utilize that. They put one paper in the particular conference and then they change the title, everything they publish in journals. So this is unethical one. So better don't do it like this because this is also offense for that. It's considered also plagiarism. So next one, annual report, and then sometime we will get the content from institutional government publication and electronic sources, whatever that thesis report, or sometimes we may get the unpublished work. Sometimes people are very clever. If I have the reviewer means I have a very good reviewer means many journals will send you me many review articles. So some people cleverly they misuse the particular article. If I have received 25 to 30 review article, so I see the review article. Some work is very good. So I think that this work I will utilize myself. Unethically, someone has did the work. They like to submit your paper to a particular journal. The journal sent to me. So I have to misuse the particular one. That idea I like to implement to my side. So that type of unethical work normally we can't do it. So this is also happened in the publication world. So whatever that, this is the unethical way of source. So whatever that you have to get it the information from books journal. So definitely you have to cite the particular one from your journal. So if you unpublished work means you have to mention that the particular paper is submitted to a particular journal or maybe a review point of reviewing the particular journal. So we like to cite the particular one. So this is the source of information. We can definitely include it in your reference area. The next one, what is normally as reference of your journal article? First, it starts from your journal name, author name. So author name with the initial. So every journal having different style. So whatever that, this is the pattern. Normally, all the journal has to follow this kind of reference style. First, they give the importance to the journal author's name. Next, title of the article. So title of the article. Next one, title of the journal. Maybe a abbreviator or full expansion, whatever that, and then year. Sometime that month of the article, month of the particular one, or but the publishing date, whatever that, everything they may ask for the publication, and then sometime they may ask the volume number, and then finally they end with page number. Nowadays they ask in the DOI number of the particular article. So sometime only the DOI number is available. There is no volume number, page number means you can after that year of publication you simply mention the DOI number of the particular article. So this is the kind of reference style. Reference style is normally follow in the particular journal world. Next one, there are different types of style systems are available. Usually we know that APA style. So all the university and the majority, particularly for Journal of Textile Institute, if you have to submit the paper means Journal of Institute means they have to follow the APA style. So each journal having different one. So Harvard system, Chicago manual system, AMA associate system, MLA. So each journal having their own referencing style. So they're different. So that's only many systems are there. So whatever the system, you don't bother about that. in the website, they got to simply mention that in our Journal of Textile Institute, you have to follow the APA style. So what is APA style means? American Psychological Association. So this is the one way of representing the citation. So reference style. So you don't bother about the name, whatever the name, you don't mind for that. So the particular software will help you to change your reference in the particular system. So this is the one. So Harvard system. So this is some example. There are number of example systems are there. So you don't mind for that. So this is some example I will show this particular slide. So referencing style. So normally how we have to reference means some of the journal they have to ask the number of the particular cited is the number. So number 1 particular article, number 2 is particular article. So in this inside the manuscript you simply mention the numbers. So majority journals, some journals like to that they have to put like number system. Example IJFTR, they are following this the superscript like type of representation. So whatever that in, if you have to submit the paper in IJFTR means reference style is different, but how we have to quote inside the manuscript means superscript. So whatever that one represents that particular article, the article style reference style is different, but inside the manuscript the reference is numbering system. So number may be in the superscript without bracket. So this is the another one method. Some of the journal they have to put the bracket inside the number. So this is the one style for referencing the particular cited reference. So this is the one. So majority, some of the majority journal easy to see that they put the numbering system. But in thesis, you have to quote it with name with year. So there is some style of reference. So whatever that, you have to go through the particular journal website and then analyze what kind of reference style they are using in their publication process. So next one is sometime first you got to reference that number 1. Again you got number 2, number 3. Then again you got to reference the number 1 means this system is very helpful for reference. People will see that I like to see the number 1. So you have to quote that particular number 1 article is many time in your article. So your article may be 10 pages. According you have to make here 15 references. According to 15 references, number 1 reference is quoted many places. What is meaning for that? Your article mainly focus on extent of the particular author's work. So if I have to read the article means I randomly see that number 1 is cited many times in your manuscript. What do you mean for that? So automatically we think that number 1 article is more key base article yourself. So I immediately go to the particular reference section and then I see the particular article and then I go to the particular journal and I download the article and see what is the connection between your work and the particular published work. So they got to match the work. Then after that I decided that I like to continue your research work. So automatically I cited that particular person work and then I cited your work and then I got to continue my work. So this is the one. It also helpful for H-index and citations of the particular unknown authors. The next one is same whatever that. So as after that, sometime article they mentioned that if a number will come either before the full stop or after the full stop. Most probably it's below above the before the full stop. So you got to mention the particular number of the particular author. So it depends upon reference style of the particular journal. So next one is sometime you have to quote that 5 article in the particular session. So sometime 1 to 5. It is meaning for that the particular content may be suitable for all the 5 articles of the particular citations. So you got to it's something that this sentence is applicable for all the 5 articles. Some example I like to tell that comfort is the one of the key parameter of the knitted fabrics. So this is the one sentence. So comfort is one of the key parameter of the analysis of knitted fabrics. So 1 to 5 article they discuss the area of comfort properties of knitted fabrics. So automatically the particular sentence is applicable for all the 5 reference. So as a cumulative I fix in a particular place 1 to 5 means the 1 to 5 article majorly discuss that comfort properties of knitted fabric. So automatically people will go through that. They go to I like to make it is very easy to making a literature survey. So per article you have your 30 reference means that 30 reference is a backbone of my research writing. So automatically I get it. Your article may be downloaded. You also that the cited particular 5 article also I downloaded. Totally 6 article I may be downloaded in my research bank. I have 6 article. So I download only in your article. automatically, as a reference point of view, you cited some reference. So automatically I go through the particular reference and then I download that. Ultimately, I get a 6 article to download that. So my research bank package is increased. So this is the one style of literature survey. So it's easy to that, to making a literature survey. You can maybe download 1,000, 2,000 article. If you have to making a correct planning like that. So this is the one. So next one is variable means you got to mention that 2, 5, 8, 10. So this is the one style we normally follow up in the reference one. This is the another one, parenthetical citation, the narrative citation. So some of the journal they got to tell there you got to mention the author name. So there are 2 author names, Mark and Speck, 2018. This is the one style of reference citation. And then another one style is narrative citation. The year may be outside. So this is the one. Depends upon the journal style, it may vary. Sometimes if the author is above 3, above 4, above 5, so that we are using et al. So et al means so and so. So some author is there still there in the particular article. So we can't put all the articles. Sometimes maybe 6% may be published. So there, each journal having some rules. If normally up to 3 or up to 2 depends upon the journal. They have to tell that if you are up to 3 author means you have to mention the name inside the manuscript writing. Or above 3, above 2 means you simply put the et al word and then you have to write the particular. You have to cite the particular one. So this is the one style. See the example is Mac. Suppose I like to mention 3 of the article in the particular place. So this is the method normally present there. You have me a semicolon or colon, whatever that. So apart from that colon, so you have to mention that Mac et al. 2008 semicolon or colon, whatever that depends upon reference style. Again, I have colon. So 3 of the 3 article, number of authors cited in a particular place. So this is called parenthetical citation. And then this is called narrative citation means inside, outside the name, and then inside you have to mention the reference style. So these are the different reference styles available in the particular journal world. So this is the one. These are 2 software, but it's normally it's a paid one. As financial sources, okay means you can purchase the EndNote or BibTeX software. Or some of the university, some of the colleges voluntarily they have to purchase the software for the welfare of staff community because they NRF ranking, NBA, NAC point of view, they have to promote their college work. So they voluntarily help the staff member. They purchase the particular software and the free of cost. The particular staff member of the particular institution, they may access the particular software. So depends upon your college, from your financial position, you can purchase the particular article. So it depends upon your views. So this is the one of the paid one, but paid one having some advantages. So there is very good advantages. So it will reduce your preparation time because most of the time it's very difficult time is we have to prepare the article for the journal style. So easy to write the article in a full content, but convert the article in the journal style means biggest headache because as I people very good writing everything, but I have a very very concentrated, very lack. I have to convert my paper into journal style. Usually, as PhD people, maybe there 2 or 3% means one paper people will mainly focus on. They convert the article into the journal style. They are very clever. They know how to convert the paper in the journal style, and then they will quickly within 1 to 2 hours, 1 hour, 2 hours, or maybe half an hour. Immediately they will convert the article into the journal style. But if unknown people, they will take 2 to 3, 4 hours, 5 hours. They convert the article into the particular journal style. So we utilize the platform, wherever the platform available in the internet source, we just convert the particular source to our own writing article converted into the journal style. This is the paid one. So now I'm going to hands-on session regarding that, how we have to utilize the particular Manly software. This is the Manly software. You can see that. So this is the Manly software. It's available in the web. So it's easy to install, and then it's free of cost. So there is no money needed to pay the particular Manly software installation. So this is the one. So after the installation, I have a register one. So I have the email ID and the password. So if you need means, I will tell you that how we install the particular Manly software once again. Then how we have to install the Manly software. I will give you the demo. Anyway, now I directly go to the website. After that, end of session, I will install how to install the Vandally. Very easy to install the Vandally. Anybody can easy to install. So, but due to the time constraint, I will go for how to utilize the particular software. So after install the software, you have to register with your email ID. So they after registering only they will give you will create your password, everything. So already I have the account. So now, so this is the one. So whatever that, if you have to install the Manly software means you need the MS Word. So MS Word is a necessary. That's only we have to the Manly will helpful to assist with the MS Word. Without MS Word, we can't access the Manly because the Manly software will install with the cope up with the particular Microsoft Word. So automatically it has to activate the Word file to for our reference style. So this is the one. So this is the one. So I would close. Now I like to open one Word file. So whatever that one Word file I will open. So blind open Word file. So this is the one. So I like to open the Word file. After installation, you can go through that. So if you click the reference, so you have the home, insert, page layout, and the reference. After installation, you can see there that Manly has to join with the particular MS Word. So you see that Manly already is there. So after installation, you have to join that collaboration with the particular MS Word. Automatically, if you have to home, insert, page layout, reference section, you can see that Manly is incorporated with the particular our MS Word file. So this is the simply you got to open the MS Word file. So first one, I like to write article. So first article, I like to put in literature survey. So I like to start my literature survey. So I think that I downloaded some article. So example, so I like to. So I got choose some articles. So this one. So this one. Some article. This is article I downloaded from the internet, and then it's more helpful for my article writing. Example, these are the 6 article I downloaded from the internet because this article more helpful for. So I downloaded from the 3 article and then put in the separate new folder. I change the folder name is article writing or manuscript preparation, whatever that. So I put article writing. So these are the 6 and what is the 6 article is there. So these 6 article is the literature part or whatever the introduction part of my article. So I go through the article, this content I got to put in my article, and then I have to discuss my style in my own style. So example, I will choose this one article. So this is the one article, effect of stitch density. This is the article. So effect of stitch density and stitch type, some article. So I'm going to write working the master management properties of sportswear. So this article is more helpful for that. So what I think that randomly I like to copy the once again, I like to copy the abstract of the particular article. So I copy, and already I have to open the file. So I like to copy the content. So sorry, it's the image format. Why the copy? So copy the content in my article. So this is the one. So I copy the particular content in the particular article just for some arranging everything and change the word, font size, everything. So according to myself, so I'll just telling it's not necessary. So this is the one I copied from the particular one. So this the content is more suitable to helpful for my research paper writing. So this is the content I got to copy from them and I got to change the content. So what the abstract they represent that impact of stringency and a seam class on moisture management property. They have to suggest some work and then they did some work. They tell that what are the results they get it. So this is the one. So this is the content I got to reproduce it because don't copy the same content and don't put the same content in the manuscript writing. So whatever that, just imagine that. So this is the content I am copying. So whatever that, you got to open the Manly software. So you got to this is section you got to see add. So you got to add the all the particular file from your article. So what are the content? So this is the add one. So you go through that in the desktop. We put in the name of article writing. So this is the file. We are already put all the article in the particular folder article writing. We put all the article. So just open. So we got to select all the article and then open. And automatically it go to added in the. So see that this is the way all the article added in the particular one. So for example, I will show that once again. So this is session. You can see that I got to add article in the particular one. So you can search where the article is there because many article. This is the article you can see that this is the one I added in the particular Manly website, Manly desktop. So added that. So this is the article. So I like to. So this is the one. So this is the one I like to add that. So now. So synchronization one. So not necessary for synchronization. So now there's some synchronization. You got to sync there. All the article may be uploaded in the particular Manly. Whatever the article may be 5, 10, 200, 300. It doesn't matter. All the 300 article you made it first immediately. You got to order the PDF in the particular Manly desktop. The next one you go through that. So this one you got to. So now you got to go through the reference one. So you got to insert the citations. So now this is the one. This is the insert citation, insert bibliography, and then open Manly. So you have to click the open Manly. So done. So insert citation. You have to click there. Insert citation. So further insert citation, insert bibliography, and then open Manly. First you have to tell the insert citation. So first insert citation. So it will open some tab and then go to Manly. So immediately it will go there. You can see this is the article. You got to click. Okay. So you will click, and then this is the article already. 1 second. Already is there. So this is the article. You have to convert this particular content in your own style. So now you have to cite the particular article. So after that, you have to convert the particular content. You have to create your own style. It may you got to reduce the content. This is the final representative of the particular article content. So what are the particular article in the abstract only? What they discuss, you got to convert in your own language. From single language, you got to tell that the particular article give the particular content. So the particular abstract from your own language, you convert this like sentence. Example, this is a sentence you convert from the particular article abstract. So here now we have to go for insert the citation. So you got to go to the citation and then click the insert citation and then go to Manly. And then this is the article. You know that this is the article already you uploaded in the particular one. You have to click and then you go to cite. So this is the one you can see that cite. Cite is there. You go to cite. Automatically this is the one you see there. Automatically one. So what is meaning for that? The PDF one is the content is reference for the PDL one content of your article. So this is the one citation method. So you know that previously session I will told that this is the one type they are using for number system to in the reference style. So this is the method for we call as modern humanity research MHRA. This is the symbol we call as MHRA. Now we got to change the APSL. This is a different styles are there. Now we go for APA style. Here is the APA style 7th edition, 6th edition. We can go for APA style of 7th edition. So see that. Now this is the style of APA style. You can see that this is the APA style. So understand that. So whatever the requirement, we have to change the style. Here in the Word file also it is available for the different type of styles. So now you see the AMA style 11th edition. You can click the AMA. We call it as American Medical Association style. So now I have to click the particular one. Automatically will change. So this is the style of AMA. Then next you go for American Political Science Association style. Now this is the style. You can see that first one is numbering, second one is et al, third one represent all the authors. So this is the particular style of American Political Science. The next one you go for American Psychological Association 7th edition. I like to click that. Immediately it will change. You can see that this is the et al. So this is the style of the particular pattern. Next I go for Chicago manual style. Then I go for Chicago manual style. Again I click. Then Chicago manual is like that. Then I go for IEEE style. Then I click for IEEE style. Immediately will change. You see the number in a bracket. So each production style has different. So according to that we have to change that. So IEEE style. The next one is modern humanities size. Again it will say upside, and then modern language association 8th edition. Again it will change. This is the one style. They only mention the name of the author. Next go for natural style. Is the natural journal style. You have to click that. Again this is the one type. So this is the represent that after the content of the article, the thesis. So whatever the thesis most probably if you have to write the thesis. Suppose this is main content around 100 pages are there. All the article we have to upload in the manual software. Then normally APA style. We like to do APA style. So this is the APA style. Throughout the manuscript, what are the content you have to get it from? Automatically it goes to immediately you got to go to the particular end of the page, or here this one end of the page. Like that I like to go end of the page. Then I like to cite there. Then I have to insert cite. To go to manually and then click the particular one and then cite. Immediately it will come. So before the full stop. So this is the APA style. Then after that reference. How we get the reference? We will type some type reference. Can put the enter. Then you have to insert the bibliography. You can see that this is the verb. Insert the bibliography. So you have to click the particular one. So click. Automatically the journal style will come. You see that? Automatically the journal reference style will come. This is the style of APA style. So within a second it may come immediately. Within a second. So need not type everything. This is the style of APA. Now I like to change the IEEE style. So immediately I will change the IEEE style. Within a second it will come. Please see that. Now I change that. So this is the style of IEEE. So now everything, you see that what is the difference? Now again I will show that APA style. Now I will click a APA style. See that this is the APA style. Again I will change to APA style to IEEE style. Then I click the IEEE style. Then immediately change. So see that main difference. So there is a thesis writing, article writing. We have to go 100, 200, 300 reference. So this is the website very helpful for that particular one. But some restriction is there due to the free access. We have to some limitation to access. If you paid one means it elaborately to cover all the various type of styles. So there are also some limitation. Some business purpose they give the some of the article for free of cost. For example, now I have to quote so many articles. Example is that now I make a thesis like that. Thesis writing. So thesis writing like that. You consider just copy for that. So this is my thesis. You consider this is my thesis. So around 200 pages are there. So whatever there, around 200 pages are there. So wherever places we like that. So this is the particular one. So I consider this is as a thesis. So now I go to for insert citation. So go to manually. So thesis means I like to select majority article. So this is the one. So I select all the article. So all the article I like go for cite. So all the article I like now I select that. So around maybe 200, 300, whatever that. So you go for click the site. You see that formatting citing. So please wait that it will come. It will take some seconds. So I select all the 100 articles. Once again, maybe hang problem. Once again, because I please wait for seconds. It will loading because I take around 300, 400 reference, I think. Now see that. Once again. Okay, my system is somewhat stuck. Once again, I will again. Once again, I will again open.
Sir, you don't do that, sir. You just
Okay.
clear the cache.
Okay, okay,
Go to Windows, clear cache, and come back.
okay, okay. Okay. So this is the.
Hello.
Yes, sir. One second. So now screen is visible now? Visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. The screen is visible.
Okay. So consider
Sir,
this
it
is
is
the,
visible.
okay. This is the consider this
The
is
screen is
the
visible, sir.
okay. Consider this is the thesis. So you go click the reference section and then insert citation, and then again new tab is open. Go to manually, and then out of that I will click some randomly. So you choose that this is the article, and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 9, 10. So randomly choose that because my so choose that and then cite. So see that all article will come in the bottom one. So once again. To cite and go to manually and then cite all the article. Randomly choose article and then click the cite one. Automatically will come there. So this is the one. So I will change the API style. So this is the one API style you can see there. So at a particular place, I cited around 10 article. So this is the one method. So next I go for the reference. Type reference and then put. When I to insert the bibliography, then you will click the bibliography. You can see that all the article will come. So this is a 10 one. So whatever randomly you choose according to the thesis, wherever you go, you put the particular place and then immediately it will come. So all the style of the API style. So all the 10 article. So the particular place, this is the particular place I quoted the 10 articles example. So 10 article will come like that. So in thesis randomly you have to choose that 1, 2, 3, 1. So immediately you go for reference and click that. So all the article will come in simultaneously. So you will get that within a second. All reference will come in a particular place. So easy to that. So this is the API style. Now I have to change to IEEE style. So simultaneously, if you click the IEEE students, everything will change. This is the IEEE style. You see that this is the style of IEEE. So automatically it will change. So there is no need of to time waste to prepare the reference style. So mainly focus on either in, article writing or either thesis writing. It's biggest help for thesis writing. As a people, we know that before 5 to 10 years, we don't know about the utilization of the particular software. All the 300 article due to the university style, I'm typing. So
Sir, hello, sir. Hello,
Yes,
hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Sir,
tell me, sir.
this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How you have given, sir? This
Yes,
1,
sir.
2, 3. This.
This-
Your reference में 1, 2,
yes,
3, 4, 5. How it?
Sir,
Please repeat this.
No, okay, sir. Example, consider that this is the one. If example, okay, I will again one more time. So this is the content. I will change it. So this is the article. I know that this is the one article. I will copy the content from the particular article. I like to change the particular content. So I know that this is the first article. So this is the content I put in my Word file, and then I go for insert citation. Then if you click the insert citation means separate tab will come. Then again we go to Manly. You got to click the go Manly. So you know that this is the that article, that content is go from that this one. So this is the article. You know that this is the article. You copy the content and put it in your Word file, and according to your view, you have to change the content. So you have to click the particular one. You click the particular article from your Manly desktop, and then you go for click the site. Automatically the number will come. You see that number will come. So again one more time I will do it. Before full stop, you make it the space. So in this place you have to cite the particular reference. So you go for citation indentation, and then go to Manly, and then this is the article. You have to cite the particular place. You click the article and then cite. So this is the number one. This is the style of IEEE. So in all the IEEE article, reference style look like that. So this is the one automatically will come. Suppose I have to change the APA style means you see that this is the IEEE style number inside the bracket. So I like to change the APA style means this is the APA style 7th edition. You can, if I click means this is the style of citation of APA style. So number, some journal publication, they have the style of numbering system. Particularly in APA style, they have to mention the author name. So this is the one. So now I cited the particular manually article in my content. So next I go for that reference. So just write reference. For our identification, this is the references. You can like put like that. Then I go for insert the bibliography. You have to click this particular this one. If you have to click this one means automatically the reference will come. So understand that, sir? So this is the style of APA. So as per inside the article, APA style is you have to mention the author name, et al, and then year. And the reference, this is the reference style of APA. Now I like to change the IEEE style. So this is the IEEE style. Just I like click the IEEE style. Immediately it will change. So this is the style of represent of particular journal production people. So this is journal production style method. So there are different method is there. So now I click each name. I will click that. Automatically it will change. Please see that. Now I will click the AMA style. It's the 11th edition American Medical Association. Now I have to click the particular style. Automatically everything will change. You can see that. So this is the one. Automatically it will change. So this is the style of AMA. Next I will change the APSA style. This is the APSA style. Now I have to click the particular one. Automatically it will change. See that here all the three author will come, and then the reference style also change. Next I go for the APA Association 7th edition. This is 7th edition. Now I have to click that particular one. Again it will change. The article manually et al. And then 2020. This is style of APA 7th edition style. Next you go for the American Social Association style. So you have to click that. Again it will change. So according to the journal website, you have to check that what styles they are they will represent that. Example I will show that. I will show the one of the journal how we have to know the style of the particular journal. So you know the Journal of Natural Fibers. I type the Journal of Natural Fibers. You go to the Journal of Natural Fibers. This is the website of the Journal of Natural Fibers. I just click the website. This is the website of Journal of Natural Fibers. You go to the instruction for authors. This is the area. They got instructor how we have to prepare the manuscript. So just I like to take that and then see that. You can see the content. So everything how you can see reference. So they click the reference one. So inside the website, how we got to prepare the reference, they got to mention that you got to click the particular reference, and then you see that this is the reference guide. Please use this reference guide when preparing your paper. They got to give the detailed version of reference guide. So I got to click the reference guide. So separate PDF will open. So see that they have the different style. If you have to cite the book means different style. Journal means different style. Conference means different style. Thesis means different style. So I like the example. I have to click the journal. So this is the, they got to tell that one author means this is the style. Two author means this is the style. Three author means this is the style. So they got to mention that. So according to that, we know that which style they are following. Inside that, they got to mention the APA style. So this is the APA style, author name, year, and the article, and the journal name, and the DOI number. So according to that, we know that style of the journal. So this is the APA style. So as per APA style, we go for this software and put the content. Then we know that APA style, this is the APA style edition. Then we click that, automatically it will change. So first of all, you have to check the journal website, what style they are prescribing. So according to the prescribing style, you have to change the method from here. So here there is some limited version because as a manually, they give some 10 to 15 type of styles. If you need all the version of different style means there is some paid one. So the normal paid one or some of the colleges, university, they voluntarily help the staff members. They free offer the particular software. So depends upon your college, your institute, or your own personal commitment. You can either purchase the particular manually in a full version. But in a free version, there is some limitation. So whatever that, something is better than nothing. Previously I mentioned that. So this is helpful for to writing the reference one. This is the one software, free software, but there is some restriction. Somewhat we got to utilize the particular software. So next one I will explain that. Another one software. Total manuscript we got to prepare within a second. Total manuscript. So according to the style of manuscript, you know the typeset. Another one name is typeset. This is one website. This is also some free version. We got to access some of the free version. So this is the typeset.io. This is the one. Already I have the account, so immediately it will open. So this is the typeset website. This website will helpful to change the article within a second for particular style. Suppose I have to prepare the article in IEEE style. So whole previously manually will helpful for to only focus on the reference style. But this website will helpful to change the total manuscript. So within a second, total manuscript will change into some other style of journals. So for example, now I got to see that already I prepare one document for some journals. So I like to upload the particular one. You got to click the new document. So upload my new document. So already I prepare one journal. Example, see that some article already prepared desktop. To see that already some preparation. So I prepared the article in the JNF, Journal of Natural Fibers. See that some article I prepared Journal of Net. Once again. So I take one article. So I prepare the journal in the style of different style is there. So I like to prepare the journal. So consider this is the Journal of Textile Institution, one type of journal. So I prepared already one manuscript. This manuscript in the style of example, this style is APA style. So I prepare the journal particularly for the Journal of Textile and Evaluation. The journal name is Journal of Testing and Evaluation. So I already prepared one manuscript. So after that, sometime the article is maybe rejected, manuscripts may be rejected. Then I like to submit in IJFTR. So consider I like to submit in IJFTR, whatever that. Some other journal I like to submit. So within a second, the particular manuscript converted in the particular style of the particular journal. So I like to click there. First, I like to upload the particular journal, particular article. So previously I prepared one article. So just I uploaded my previously rejected manuscript. So full manuscript I uploaded the particular website. Some problems arise. One more time I upload. So now it's uploading. So just I upload the previous reject. Oh. I think some error will occur. 1 second. So uploading the previous rejected article. Now it's uploading. First, after uploading, it may ask something. Format selector. Then I have to select. Let's go. First, I got to choose the title. So I have to choose the title. Then save and continue. Next, author affiliation. So I like to select the author affiliation. Already rejected article. Everything I like to select there, and then save and continue. Next, go to choose abstract. So I like to choose the abstract or whatever I loaded in the particular website. So already in the manuscript is rejected. So I like to convert from the particular journal style to some other journal. So I like to click there and then save and continue. And the reference. So I like to select all the references. So this is the one. So I select all the references. So select all the references and then save and continue. Now choose the format. Now I have to choose the format. So everything is uploaded in the particular website. So typeset website very useful to convert one manuscript style to another manuscript style. Whole manuscript, not for only the reference. It convert whole manuscript. To change the format, choose the format. So see there are popular formats are there. IEEE, Elsevier format, Springer format, Wiley format, Taylor and Francis, and then Sage, Nature. So difference are there. So I like to choose IEEE format. So previously I submitted paper in Elsevier format. So I like to convert into IEEE format. So I like to click IEEE format. So now these are the journals are available. So you can see that thesis also available. Analysis thesis also available. So you convert from one thesis from Bharatiya University. That thesis we have to convert into Anna University means this website is very helpful. So now I go to the search of journal. Is anything available? Instead of some more journals, I will search there. So I like to search some journal name. So these are the publishers in IEEE. These are the publishers are there. So like I like to check the CSIRO publishing. So I like to click the CSIRO publishing. So in this is publishing, these are the journals are there. So I like to choose default choose that this one IEEE transaction on emerging topics in computing. This is the journal. I like to submit my rejected article. So I like to click that. So this is the format of IEEE transaction emerging topics in computing journal. So already I uploaded rejected manuscript what I prepared. So now I have to convert that manuscript into this journal formatting. So just using this, I like to use this is the format. So I like to click the use this format. Then my paper will convert it into the particular journal format. So preview or formatter. So all the is converted there within a second. So now preview of the formatted document. You can see that my paper totally converted into IEEE format. So everything is going on there. So within 1 or 2 seconds, automatically my previous paper, maybe whatever the journal type, style, whatever the journal, So that journal only is converted into IEEE transaction on emerging topics in computer engineering. This is the one journal. So my whole content, whole paper will convert it into the particular one. You can see that my paper will convert it into, see that my paper will convert it into that particular journal style. So easily you got to download the particular one, and then you have to immediately submit the particular paper to the particular journal. So this, see that this is the one. They immediately change all my content, everything they convert in the particular journal. So everything. So this is the one. So you can utilize, you can download the particular one, and then you have to submit this particular file to the particular journal. So this is the one of the typeset.io, but it is also comes restriction. Some beyond that we have to pay, either the free service also there, and then you have to pay. You have to upgrade means you have to pay something, because there are some business point of view. Some of the assets they will give the free access. Some of the assets you have to upgrade, you got to pay money. So this is more helpful for the journal publication. So this is the one important software for Mendeley also it is there to convert the manuscript for the particular journal style, but that Mendeley is a paid one. So Mendeley is mainly free for reference style. They give the open for reference style only, but in typeset some of assets they will have to convert the particular journal style into some other journal style. So this is more helpful for the staff member. You can utilize the particular software typeset.io. So you have to create your own account, and then whatever the journals type, it may available in the particular one. If it's not available once, it's may in a paid one. So you have to pay something. They monthly pay. I think the typeset or not having that yearly payment or monthly payment. So according to as a PhD scholar, maybe you have to spend around $5 to $6. I think maybe 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees. I don't exactly. You have to at least 1 month you utilize the typeset, because you have to prepare a document and send it to the journal. Number of journal means in typeset they have some provision, 1 year, 1 month, 6 month provision. So according to the subscription, you got to pay the money. Up to 6 months, you utilize the particular software. Then it will easy to submit paper in a different journal style. So you not spend your unwantedly spend your time to prepare the journal format. So this is the software for that. So this is the today's session. Now my session is over. Now it's open for question section. Staff member, if you have any doubt means please free to ask questions, because last session also very short time I'm not able to answer many questions. So now it's open platform, you can ask question for that.
Hello, sir. May I ask first? May I
Yes,
ask,
sir.
sir?
Yes, sir. Please,
Sir,
please.
please, I understood everything what you have shown, sir. This is a great information for us, sir. Sir, how to start, suppose the paper writing, how to write the abstract?
Yes, sir. How to write the abstract?
Yes,
Yes. How to write abstract means actually previously I have the session. I clearly mentioned you that I like to open the particular PowerPoint. If abstract means what the content may be present in the particular abstract. Second. So previous session I mentioned you that there are 4 headings mainly important in the particularly in the abstract area. So whatever the content, maybe abstract maybe 300 words, 250 words, depends upon the. Second. This is the one. You can see that my presentation. Okay, so 1 second. I will open this again. So most probably abstract mostly cover these 4 headings, sir. First one is what's the problem and objective. So you can tell that this is the 4 important headings. Content may be present in your abstract. So abstract may be a very short version. It may be some journal will tell 250 words, 300 words, maximum 300 words. So according to your abstract, what is the meaning of that? What is the problem and objective of your research work? And then what methodology you apply for the particular research? And then what finding, maybe finding 1 or 2 findings, and what your conclusion, and then what are the research effect and impact. So this is the main content probably present in your abstract. Now I will show you that some example of one abstract. So I show you my own article, then only you have to understand that. So this is one of the article I published that.
Yes, sir. I want such example. How you have
Okay.
written this abstract? Yes. yes.
Okay. So this is my one of the article I published in Fiber and Textile. So my main aim is I know that you know that fabric property, stitch density, and stitch type. There are different type of stitches are there in garment for stitching purpose. So I like to check the comfort moisture management property of the particular stitch density and stitch seam, also the stitch density and the seam. So there you know the various type of seam available in the garment. So I like to check the my main motto is I like to check the moisture management properties of particular seam and then stitch. You know that different variety of seams. So these are the variety of seams. So is that overedge seam and overlock stitch seam. So this is the type of seam. So I like to analyze the moisture management behavior of particular seam. So this is my idea. So what is meaning for that? In abstract, I like to tell that I like to do the research work particularly for moisture management property of particular seams, and then what method I am going to use, what methodology I am going to use, what find out I will get it. So this is the 4 key parameter may be present in my abstract. So understand that, sir? You can understand that. So this is the 4 content. First
Yes,
one,
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I like to make a research for how seam analyze the seam properties of particularly in moisture management. So first one is I am taking the seam. Second one is I apply the moisture management properties, and then what methodology I am going to apply. What conclusion? What is the result? I find out my research work. So this is the 4 content I like to represent my abstract area. So abstract may be a 200, 250 words. So within the 250 words, 300 words, as a journal, each journal having some limitation. So you can't say that 500 words, 1000 words for abstract. They gave the some limitation, maximum 150 to example 300 words. So this is the one. So like you see there. So first I decided that I like to say that impact of stitch density, seam class, and the moisture management properties of seams was investigated in the study. So I tell clearly first line I will tell that I make a research work of moisture management properties of seams. For this study, I represent that this is the application. This is the study I am going to make. So first line, the impact of stitch density and the seam class and the moisture management properties of seams. Second one, I like to say methodology. What are the seams I am going to use in the particular one? So I choose stitch density and seam class. So here I mentioned that types of seam, lapped seam, flat lock stitch class seam, and then superimposed seam. So I am used for this kind of seams for my research work. And the same stitch density I use of 10, 14, 18, 22. There are 4 variety of stitch density I am using. So I am using different class of seams and then same time stitch density. So clearly second line, what materials I am going to use in my study. The next one, I like to tell that what are the property I am going to utilize that. So property means the management property, seam fabric in terms of, I like to tell that analyze the spreading speed, area of spreading, absorption time, wetting time, and then these are the properties of moisture management property. So these are the property I like to investigate. So first point, I will tell that what is my research work. Second point, what materials, methodology I am going to apply that. Third point, I will tell that what are the property I am going to checking. After that, what is the observers? How do they find out? What are the result I've got it? So that line I got to mention that. Finally, I will tell that it was observed from the result that the same seams made with the low less density, so better moisture management capability, and the lapped seam exhibit better moisture management capability when compared to the superimposed seam. So this is the one major find out happened in my research work. So this is the explanation of experience of abstract. This only we got to represent in the journal. So that only your article may be accepted in the journal point of view, reviewer point of view. So whatever that your article abstract may be a short and sweet, is directly represent your whole research work. Sometime tomorrow session, I will tell you that how we got to read the particular article. So previously in first session, Dr. Sendil Kumar will tell you that maybe we discuss that how we got to select the article or how to read the article for research work. He told his views, but my view is totally different. So tomorrow you may attend the session means you clearly look at that in my point of view, how I look at the article, how I have to read the article. So my style is different, but each one having different style. From your convenient point of view, you can choose the particular style. So this is my answer for your question, sir.
Sir, yes, sir. This is a great, sir. Sir, I understood abstract. Within this 5 minutes, sir, can you go this something, this whole paper up to the references? Just take up the click, one line. How you have presented? Yes, sir.
Okay. If introduction means just first introduction part.
From keywords, sir. From keywords.
Keywords, okay, sir. It is the keywords. So keywords most probably represent my title. So what you see my title? Sportswear. So definitely the keywords will come as sportswear.
Yeah.
Myself management. You said my properties, myself management. So definitely it will come for keywords.
Yes.
And then same comfort properties. So my main name is myself management under the category of comfort. So I put that. And the seat density, the major part, and then sportswear construction. So this is the main keywords. According to the keywords is more important. It always 50% you represent your titles.
Yes.
So if anybody have to like to do the research work in active sports means, they will simply in the Google they will type that active sportswear. Immediately article will come. If example I will show the comfort. I like to search an article in the area of comfort properties of bamboo knitted fabric. So this is my research work I'm planning. So I like to put in comfort. Okay. And put searches. You can see that article will come. Thermal comfort properties of bamboo knitted fabric. So I have to click there. This is my article. I can show that. So this is the article. I publish that. Automatically, if you type the comfort properties means you go there. It's difficult to see that particular article because it's not an open source. It's a closed version. Okay, one second, I will check the. It's be like bamboo. Bamboo knitted fabric. I will check any open source of that particular article. Okay, see that this is an article maybe available in the ResearchGate. So I look at that. So this is the article, full article is available. So now I have to open the full article. You see that I type the bamboo word. Understand that, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See that?
Yes, sir.
Keywords,
Yes, sir.
thermal comfort, comfort, bamboo.
Yes, sir.
Automatically my keywords has to match. If the researcher may type the bamboo means automatically my article will represent that. So this is the keyword. It will help you to immediately your article may reach to the research people, because research people they randomly type bamboo knitted fabrics or comfort knitted fabrics. So this is the keyword help you to increase your the particular research attention. So automatically your article will come. So if the keyword is not matching your article keywords means it's not show your article. So whatever that, so your ultimate research has to reach to the research community. So that's only previously I mentioned that keywords is more important parameter for to evaluate the or increase your citation, whatever that. So this is the introduction bar. Now I will tell the next one introduction bar. So how we have to make an introduction? So introduction means first we have to tell the general thing about that particular one. So you see that general thing, I will tell that what is sportswear, designing and constructing of high active sportswear. So first one paragraph, mainly I will focus on that generally about sportswear. So whatever the introduction part, first part may be we have to consider introduction part maybe 3 to 4 part. So first part most probably you have to tell that general part, what is sportswear, what are the types of garments are there, what are the types of stitches are there, you see there, what are the types of stitches, how we have to measure the stitches, everything. So slowly I go to the next level, how the stitches are, the particular research work is going on the particular one. You see that I have to quote at that article 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the article. So and such is spread over the humanity. It has been found that the sweat generation at the particular one considered to be higher in the chest area. So this is the article they got to tell that. So slowly I got to move from literature part. So first general part I will discuss about the article title. So my article title is sportswear. So first introduction part, 2 to 3 part I will discuss the general one. Next I will go to the particular person research work, and then go to that. I will simply recommend those are people I simply quoted that one. Next I go for the what is the latest one. Let's go for the material methods. So next material methods means what are the materials I'm going to use for my current research work. I use for 100% polyester fabric. This is the GSM, everything. How I have to making production, everything, are the properties of the particular materials, and then what are the testing method I'm using. So this is the testing instrument I'm going to use, and then after that, what are the samples I will produce, and then I go for the result discussion. Then I go to a result discussion from each wise. So first I will discuss the main part is impact of cis density for wetting. You know that moisture management properties, around 10 properties are there. First property is wetting time. So first I will discuss that impact of cis density on wetting time. So I will tell that this is the picture shows that the particular seam. So I will discuss that impact of cis density on wetting time, impact of cis density on absorption rate. So impact of cis density on maximum wetted radius. So each area, each heading, I will discuss what find out in my particular article, particular research work. So I will tell that this is the find outs I will made it. So I will give you a short write up about the particular graph. So particular graph, I have 4 variety of cis density, 10, 14, 18, 22. So according to the moisture wetted radius, I will tell them what is the result I will get it. So maybe the moisture may be increase, maybe reduce, depends upon the seam. You can see the this is the dark one is the lapped seam, and the light one is the superimposed seam. You can see that always in the particular cis density on wetting time, lab seam being having a very good wetting time compared to superimposed seam. So this is the one I like to represent in the result discussion area, and to find out finally, and also that same one I utilize for the statistical analysis. From previous session, we will discuss about how we have to analyze the statistics design. Then again I will write up the part one, the conclusion, what is the final outcome. So I will tell the final outcome for that. So see that. So I will tell that selection of the seam class. So a very good primary factor in the designing of high active sportswear. So this is the one. So according to my result, I will tell that which seam is best one. And at the same time, the research could be extended to the modification of sewing thread and the selection of seams and stitches to enhance the comfort property. In this research work, I choose only 2 to 3 seams. So I recommend the people, those who are studying my research work, I will tell that you got to vary the cis density and some other seams. Automatically, if people see my article means they got to extend my work means what are the seams I couldn't carry it over, they may extend my work. So automatically, my simultaneously I got to tell suggestion to the future scholars, future people to continue my research work. So this is the method of representing our research work to the research community or journal world. So this is the one, sir.
Yes, sir. Very, very thank you, sir. Excellent.
Thank you.
Excellent.
Hello,
excellent.
sir.
Tell me,
Hi,
ma'am.
sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Such a wonderful section, sir. I'm so happy. Thank you for giving the wonderful section.
Thank
And
you.
I have a few doubts.
me.
Sorry, the paraphase tools are good for using in the research section.
yes,
And second one, the second question is, one of my article, they were paraphrased it and published in another journal. That people is even, I don't know the personally, I don't know the people, but they were literally that abstract and introduction part, they were paraphrased it and they were published. So is it that ethical? And I want
not
to know
ethical,
the
ma'am.
Yes.
Actually, the paraben tomorrow session is mainly one of the main key parameter we have to cover the paraben software to capture the, because what is the meaning for paraben means we have to copy some from, I like to write on particle. So from you already publish on paper. So I like cut the copy of some part of your article. So I put the copy for the particular paragraph and put the use the particular paragraph software, and I convey the meaning of the particular sentence. So same meaning. You have some your own style, you got represented on one. So same one I like to copy and then put the help of the particular software and the same one. So you added the sugar, white sugar, but I added some other type of sugar. So, but whatever that always one is taste of the particular product. So, what biggest problem is, as ethical point of view, many people in the general publication did like that. As selfly, we have know that we have to copy the content from the particular one. Suppose if you have to see the particular article means you immediately write the particular editor in chief. They have to copy your content, but they have to change the maybe active voice converted to passive voice. So they just changes the tomorrow session may be helpful for you how they converted from active voice to passive voice. Just last sentence they put in the first one. Again, they will same content they will present in the particular journal article. So automatically the plagiarism software not detect the particular plagiarism. This is the biggest cleverly people misuse the particular software. They misuse the particular one, but whatever that we got to admit that if you have any affected that particular one, you immediately send your mail to the particular editor in chief. This is your content. People who are misuse your content means definitely they may black the particular article or they may withdraw the particular article. Definitely, but provided that journal is a quality journal, you may publish the article in a pre-edited journal means they never care about that. They only focus on money point of view. They don't bother about your view. They just publish the article, get the money from people. But as a qualified journal means definitely editor in chief will take necessary action. They black the particular people, and the future they may not. They may send to all the journals people. The particular people actually misuse the content, so they blacklist their particular author. So this is happen in the journal world, but depends upon your time. This is done.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And sir, it is it easy to? My scholars also nowadays using the paraphrase tools. So is it okay for that? Otherwise, we don't.
Ma'am, somewhat okay, ma'am. If a fresher means okay, as experienced person means you have to represent in your own style, ma'am. Whatever that paraphrase software easy to convert, everything will change. So, by my point of view, as a student, okay. But as maturity, we have a person means we have to guide the students. So improve their language skill, everything. Whatever some sentence we can't change means tomorrow's session I will tell you that how we have to avoid the particular plagiarism problem. So we can't change a particular sentence. Unfortunately, if you change the sentence means total meaning will change. So we directly represent the particular content, represent your article means how we have to avoid the plagiarism. Tomorrow's session maybe help you to understand the particular problem, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Hello, sir. Sir, good
Yes,
afternoon.
ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Please.
Sir, actually, I have one query regarding this typeset site. Is that site is safe or confidential for uploading our documents related to our work?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, safest one because everything is not stored. It's stored only your own identity from your software only. So there is no problem for ethical view. So they got to maintain for that. But because you store the particular file in your name only, your ID, everything. So everything registered for that. Suppose if I have to submit an article for plagiarism. So if plagiarism software, you submit all detail about yourself. So the file name, content form belonging to your ID. Suppose some people has to some other next month they submit the same content for their website means immediately the software will tell you that already the people will submit that for the name. So everything they will mention there. So automatically who will submit first is the responsible for the particular file. Next one, they not claim the particular one.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for
Thank
this wonderful
Thank
session. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, I just wanted to ask the one aspect. There might be some gray literature or there might be some literature which we are not able to download the file, in the PDF file. So in that cases, how we can use Mendeley? You might have answered it, but I have just some.
So some of the style they may lock PDF lock. We can see the PDF, but we can use the particular one. So that time is very difficult, sir. But as I want to say, don't want to say that because PDF there are website is available there. We have to open the lock of particular PDF. So it's the illegal way of content, but I'm not recommending to that. But some extent case that particular PDF may be locked, but there is websites are available. You can easily open the particular PDF file. Maybe you have to copy the content. That PDF locker maybe unlock. They mention that the name of the website is PDF unlock. So whatever people are clever, so you can utilize the particular website. then you got to upload the particular article. They simply open the particular PDF, and then you may copy the content from that. But ethically, it's not good. But some extents, we like to copy the content, and then we got to fine tune means you can utilize the particular one. But as per point of view, I'm not suggesting that. But anyway, from your point of view, you got to decide that you got to utilize the particular one.
And what about the grey literature where we do not find any PDF? Those are some books which are not available on internet, perhaps.
Yes, sir. That time, that is very difficult, sir, because that time you may type the article because it's not available. What are the medium is available in the web means we can easily maybe track. If that one is not available means it's very difficult to get it. That's only some people they misuse that. Some of the books there is no. It's happening one time. One of the people they submit a thesis. That thesis is available in 1960, 1940, 1930. That thesis is available, but this is not available for in a soft copy. What the person is cleverly they converted all in the digital form, and then he submitted the thesis and he awarded a doctorate. After 15 years back, someone has to find out that now after that he is became a vice chancellor of some other university. Unfortunately, after the retirement age, some people will find out that they challenge that particular person. After that, they proved he convicted that to copy the content from 1940, 1920 thesis, and then he reproduced that particular one, and then he awarded doctorate and then all the facility. Finally, the court will get verdict that he cancel all the benefits from the particular person. This also happened. But whatever that, ethically we can do, whatever the crime, people will tell that if the crime is capture means this is a crime. Otherwise, this is not a crime. People mindset is always like that. People mindset is if I made a mistake, still I made a mistake continuously, whether I caught. If I caught means this may be a crime. Otherwise, they feel that I'm not making any crime. So this is the normal pattern of people's mindset, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Very good afternoon, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow, please explain the how to check the plagiarism software.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Sure.
Okay, sir. Please send your recorded session, sir.
Yes, sir. Maybe coordinator will send you, sir. No issue.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Next one, sir. Link, please. Link.
Sir, do we need to include our future work in the paper, sir?
Yeah, not necessary. This ultimately promote your article. Promotion. Previously session I told you that promotion is the branding. Promotion is the nowadays all people will like the branding promotion.
Okay.
So you increase your culture index and then citation means one thing that you have to promote yourself. Whatever that. So the promotion point of view, that is not compulsion. You have to suggest that future work.
Okay.
But due to the commitment from H index, improve citation index, automatically somewhat I will stop my research work. So I suggested because I like to encourage the students. For example, I am a guide for my leading university. So I doing my research work. So next level I have to choose new students. So I attract the students' point of view. So if a suggestion means somebody may ask me, sir, I like to do this work, I will get a student.
Okay.
So on
and
personal,
usually including your future work after the research. And
after the thesis, definitely future recommendation is there, but journal publication, this is up to your choice.
And shall we can include it in our abstract, sir?
Not abstract. Normally, you want a recommendation. Only for our conclusion point of view, we have to give the recommendation.
And one more thing, sir. Do we have any other softwares like Mindlab or the typeset pages like this?
No, previously I mentioned that by BibTeX, that software is there, but it's a paid one. So that is the one. If your university or college may be provided means, you can well utilize that. By example, a VIT University, they have purchased the Scopus Assess. So you can, if you have to assess the Scopus.com, you have to pay the around 25 to 30 lakhs. The particular VIT University, they subscribe to the particular Scopus website. You can access the website of Scopus, because in Scopus website you can get a very good details. Suppose if you like to do your mechatronics means you like a robo type of research work means you can think that which country is doing more research work on robotics. So with the help of Scopus, you can search that which country mainly focus on robotics. So that website will giving a huge data available. They will clearly tell that what the research work is going on throughout the world. So according to the analysis of the particular Scopus website, you get a very good knowledge. So, but it's a paid one. Concerned college has to decide on everything.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
It was a wonderful session, sir.
Thank you, Khalil.
Sir, one question.
Sir.
Sir,
Hello.
Very good session, sir.
Yes, sir.
The most difficult part for any other is the formatting
you.
part, and
Thank
you
you,
made it
Mohan,
very,
sir.
very simple by your effective demonstration, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Sir, one question.
Yes,
If I cite someone paper and I copy its any one or two lines, then it is ethical or not?
Sir, there is some restriction is there. Around 10%, if the that copied content is below 10%, there is acceptable one. As present scenario, you have to copy some content, but your article represents that you have only below 10% plagiarism. There is no problem. As university point of view, as general point of view, there is some content you may copy, but it's below 10%, and provided that that content available in the introduction literature part, not in a result discussion part. What are you meaning for that? Whatever the copy content, you put only in the area of introduction literature part, not in result discussion, because result discussion your own representation. That you have to put plagiarism means it affected all your work. So as thesis point of view, whatever the point of view, my view is whether you use the content from someone's one, but provided that it is useful only in the introduction part, literature part. But normally, last month I wrote UGC chairman regarding that plagiarism, because now as a plagiarism point of view, all the university they suggested that all plagiarism below 10%. But what my suggestion is, if plagiarism is happened in result discussion means we got to take action. But if a plagiarism happened in introduction literature part, that is okay, because if the properly cited means there is no problem. If the introduction part, if you write a thesis means introduction literature part, you got to put someone's content, provided that you got to cite the particular person. That is okay, because in literature part you just tell that other one's view. So we cannot calculate the plagiarism for introduction literature way. But if you go for the result discussion, purely this is your part. That particular part, there is no plagiarism not happen in the particular one. So this is my point of view. That's only I sent a mail to UGC. So that plagiarism, whatever the plagiarism, you ignore that, but particularly you can focus on result and discussion part. This is my point of view. Sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. And sir, one more question. As you see, as you show the Mendeley reference in the MS Word,
yes.
So this feature is available in free of cost free version.
Yes, free of cost.
Okay.
Whatever
sir.
session is, I'm usually free of cost because due to the financial commitment, I have also commitment. So most probably, as our main setup, we utilize only the free of source, because due to the financial commitment, we got some restriction. So that time, most probably my point of view, I like to use the free of source. How we effectively utilize, but there is nothing, something better than is for nothing. So whatever that, utilize the free version according to my usage. By example, I will show you that Google, everybody know the scholar.google.com. So you know that H-index previously session, people will tell that H-index of the Google Scholar. So example, I will tell on article, I will show that. So this is one, people always see that to download the article. But my point of view, this particular website are used for to download the citation. You click that, this is a symbol, double click symbol, is there, you see the symbol. If I click the symbol means automatically some citation will come. So MLA API style, example, you see that this is the one symbol. Have a look at that. So this is the method. So in between that Google Scholar, they give us some MLA API style, Chicago style, hardware style, and then Vanguard style. So I like just simply copy. I don't know about the Mendeley software. Before that, 6 years, 7 years back. So thus I like to copy the particular style and put in my reference. So every website, some uniqueness is there. We have to go through the website and find out the particular one to utilize for our research work. So this is my way of point of view, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, Prakash sir, உங்க personal contact number.
One second, sir. One second. This is the one, sir. My email is dscprakash@gmail.com. My WhatsApp number is 90804-72901 and then 98422666095. So if you have actually this is I have took many lecture in this particular for paper publication. Every day I have received many mails from staff from where they like to check whether the journal is pediatric journals or anything doubt. And they may usually send to my mail. So tomorrow's session mainly discuss about how we have to find out the pediatric journals, because nowadays the biggest issue, we can receive the mail from journal. They will tell that this is the new journal launched, that this is the SCA journal or Scopus journal. If you have sent the article means immediately they will publish, but we don't have any awareness. So one of the example last week happened from one of the leading university from Tamil Nadu. I see one journal name. Again, I will check the journal name if it will come in. I think I forgot the mail. Maybe somebody will tell that particular journal. So that journal is available in the Scopus website and then Clarity Analyst website. But unfortunately, the journal 1999 onwards they stopped the production. Some people hacked the particular journal and then they created their own web design and then they voluntarily sent to all the university people. You got submit the article the particular journal with asking some money. They publish the article. But if your check means the particular website, go to the particular website. So they hack the website and then misuse that. But when you go to check the Clarity Analyst and then Scopus, they mentioned that 1999 onwards the production is stopped. So this is happened in the journal world. So we have to get the awareness to submit the paper in a reputed journals.
I'm really eager and looking forward to it, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for your session, sir. I over to Silpi ma'am.
Really such a wonderful and informative session. I hope all the participants get benefited from it, and we are really waiting for your next presentation, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you all participants. Please use same link for the next session. And we are really sorry about the inconvenience caused by the Google service. I believe it is back in working now, and most of the people are able to join now. And in case you have any issues, please let us know. We'll try our best to solve that.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Nidhi ma'am.
Sir, can you tell us about the test, tomorrow's test, at what time it will be happening?
That will tell you in the first session in the morning, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Hello, Prakash. Sir, can we get the recording of the these two sessions because I missed because of the Google inconvenience? Or
yes,
is
it
it
will
possible?
be available. Yeah, it will be uploaded, and the link will be provided.
Okay.
The coordinator ma'am will give you further details.
All right.
Hello, sir. Where we will see the recording, sir? Are you uploading on the WhatsApp? This recording?
No,
No, sir.
we are.
On AICT portal.
AICT portal. Are you recording the? Are you uploading the recording session?
All sessions uploaded on AICT portal.
Okay. But in WhatsApp, can you upload, madam? In WhatsApp?
No, sir.
But can you mail? Mail?
Sorry, sir. Sorry. Thank you, Prakash sir. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Kavita ma'am, for this FDP program.
Hopefully we meet tomorrow, madam.
Yes. Because my resource person is very powerful and very informative, knowledgeable. Yes.
Very informative, really very informative.
Good. Thank you, sir. Again.
Thank you, madam.
We'll join at 2:30, madam.
Yes, sir. Stop 2:30.